Hello and welcome back to a new video. Today I choose this bird. It's an endemic bird of Taiwan by the name of Taiwan Yuhina. It's a very small bird, very fast and so hardly to catch it. As you can see, she's feeding and they always choose to hide very good between the branches, and it's really hard to take a good picture when the background is clean. So this time I will choose this picture to edit. I like how the tongue of the bird is out and the fruit is almost inside. The background is very crowd of branches, so I will make a tight crop. But before that, I forgot to say on my last video, I always use on my images to reduce the noise and make sharpening. I always use my DxO Pure Raw. Why I do that? I like the way the noise is reduced and it makes also a little bit of sharpening. Before I use topaz denoise, but in the meantime I see that for me is working better with DxO, and you will see why. You see, it's ISO 2000, but the noise it's completely gone. The sharpening is good. I don't need to do sharpening in my Lightroom. Sometimes I do it, but that's very not so much. Okay, so now again, this picture will be only for social media. So I will go with cropping, a tight crop. I think I will do it because I want only the bird. I will even cut a little bit from the tail. I want something like this. I don't like the tail, it's cropped. But if I will keep the tail in the image, then I will have too many distractions. So this is why I will choose to cut out the tail, keeping the most important in the picture. Like you know, my white balance, it's always the custom one. I can look to different ones, but I like my custom one that's made directly in the camera. Okay, so let's see what we can do. We can open the shadows a little bit and then the blacks because they are clipping. Let's start with the vibrance. I will go a little bit higher. Saturation, not always. I prefer to play with the colors. Maybe the exposure, just a tiny bit. Something like this. My highlights, I will go completely to zero. I like how it looks. I don't think I will make too much on this image. I think I will go with radial gradient. I will see what can I do. I care more about the birds and not the rest. So let's see. I will invert the mask. Here it was for me. Okay, the exposure down, something like this. The highlights, I don't need them. Maybe the saturation, I will go a little bit low on that side, something like this. And let's see if, yes, the texture and the clarity. It's not pleasant because of the branches, but I like how the bird is behaving, and sometimes I want in my pictures behavior of the birds or of the animal instead of just a simple sitting on the branch doing nothing. Like I say, maybe I will play with the colors a little bit. Now see the orange and the luminance, just a tiny bit. Open the reds and make it more to pop out, something like this. Okay, like I told you, I don't do sharpening in Lightroom. DxO, I think it makes a very good job most of the time. And well, I think that's all, because like I told you, I don't like to edit too much my pictures, try to keep them as natural as possible. I don't like too many branches, but sometimes in wildlife you cannot take the images that you want. You can take the images that the animals they will offer you. And it was my second time when I was meeting this bird, so I took the chance and take all the pictures that I could take them in that day. Okay, this was a short video. I hope you like it. The image will stay like this. It's just the behavior of the bird. If you like the video, you know what you have to do. Give me a like, subscribe to my channel because it will help me a lot. And if you have comments, you can leave them down below, and I will see you next time. Bye.